If your Android phone is answering incoming calls automatically, don't worry. This usually happens when the answer automatically feature has been enabled by accident. Fortunately, you can turn it off in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Start by opening your phone's default phone app. This is the app you normally use to make and receive calls. Step 2. Look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap it to open additional options. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the phone app's settings page where you can manage various calling features. Step 4. Scroll through the settings until you find answering and ending calls. Tap on it to view the available call answering options. Step 5. Look for the option labeled Answer Automatically or Automatic Answering. If the switch is turned on, tap it to turn it off. Once disabled, your phone will no longer answer calls automatically. That's it. By disabling the Answer Automatically feature, you've successfully stopped your Android phone from answering calls on its own. Incoming calls will now ring normally, allowing you to choose whether to answer or decline them manually.